Welcome to Learn Short and Typing with Vikas sir. Dictation for Punjab and Haryana High Court. Exercise number 15. At the rate 80 to 90 and 100 word per minute. Start. A careful perusal of this provision, which is an exception to the normal mode of acquisition contemplated under the Act, shows that mere existence of urgency or unforeseen emergency, though is condition precedent for invoking section 17 within bracket 4, that by itself is not sufficient to direct the dispensation of the section 5A inquiry. It requires an opinion to be formed by the government concerned that along with the existence of such urgency or unforeseen emergency, there is also a need for dispensing with section 3A inquiry, which indicates that the legislature intended the appropriate government to apply its mind before dispensing with section 5A inquiry. It also indicates that mere existence of an urgency under section 17 within bracket 1 or unforeseen emergency under section 17 within 2 would not by itself be sufficient for dispensing with section 5A inquiry. If that was not the intention of the legislature, then the latter part of subsection within bracket 4 of section 17 would not have been the necessary, and the legislature in section 17 within bracket 1 and within bracket 2 itself could have incorporated that in such situation of existence of urgency or unforeseen emergency, automatically section 5A inquiry will be dispensed with. But then that is not the language of the section, which in our opinion requires the appropriate government to further consider the need for dispensing with section 5A inquiry in spite of the existence of unforeseen emergency. This understanding of ours as to the requirement of an application of mind by the appropriate government while dispensing with sections 5A inquiry does not mean that in each and every case when there is an urgency contemplated under section 17A and unforeseen emergency contemplated under section 17 within bracket 2 exists, that by itself would not contain the need for dispensing with section 5 an inquiry. It is possible in a given case the urgency noticed by the appropriate government under section 17 within bracket 1 or the unforeseen emergency under section 17 bracket 2 itself may be of such degree that it could require the appropriate government on that very basis to dispense with the inquiry under section 5A. But then there is a need for application of mind by the appropriate government that such an urgency for dispensation of the section 5A inquiry is inherent in the two types of urgencies contemplated under section 17 within bracket 1 and within bracket 2 of the Act. An argument was sought to be advanced on behalf of the applicants that once the appropriate government comes to the conclusion that there is an urgency or unforeseen emergency, full stop.